Changing the language in FC24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in FC24. So let's talk about what FC game is. So they changed the name of FIFA to FC in 2024. So actually the FC is FIFA 24. You just have to download the game. After downloading the game, you have to make sure that you have downloaded and other languages. In order to do that, you have to go to your profile, and in your profile you have to go to account details. In account details, you have to go to language preferences, and in language preferences, you have to select preferred language that you want to download. After selecting the language, you have to download the game. What it will do is it will make sure to download the game with the other languages as well that you have selected. And after that, you just have to go to the game. In game, you have to go to settings, and under basic settings, you'll be able to see this option for language select. You just have to select your language, and the language for your FC24 should be changed. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can change the language of your FC24 game. Hope you guys found this video helpful.